Om Guru Ram Namaste. Good afternoon all of you. My dear second class students, today discuss about subtraction from your workbook volume 3, page number 25. So beta, everybody open page number 25. Okay? Everybody write down the problems in your CW. Okay? See here. First problem, subtract the following numbers in it. First one is, this is hundreds place, tens place, ones place. 742 minus 573. Listen carefully. See here. First the given number write in column wise according to their places. This is ones column. Look at the blackboard. This is ones column. This is tens column. This is hundreds column. Now we first subtract the digits in ones place. Ones place lo unnatundi digit ni subtract cheyandi. See here, 2 minus 3 possible beta? Not possible, because 2 is the smaller number than 3. 2 is the smaller number than 3. What do I have to do? You can take borrowing from 4. So here borrowing. How much? 10. So 10 plus 10 is added to 2. 10 is added to 2. 10 plus 2 you can get 12. See here, 4 is giving borrow to one's place digit. See 4, it can last 1. Means 4 becomes 3 beta. 4 ఏమవుతుంది? 3 అవుతుంది. 4 becomes 3. See here, 12 minus 3. You can get 9. You can count 3 after up to 12. 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12. Yeah. 8. 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 5 fingers plus 4 fingers, 9. 9 write down in ones column. Now, next you can subtract 7 from 3. Means 3 minus 7. Possible? 7 is subtracted from 3, no? So, 3 minus 7 possible, not possible. Because 3 is the smaller number than 7. Now, take borrowing from 7. It can give 10. Borrow 10 plus 3 is added to 10. 10 plus 3 you can get 13. 7 it can last 1. 7 becomes 6. Look at the blackboard. See here. 13 minus 7. Now you can count 7 after to reach 13. 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 6 write down in tens column. Now next 6 minus 5 possible. 6 is the bigger number than 5. So 5 after you can count 1. 5 after 1, 6. Only you can write 1. So difference is equals to 169. Write down everybody. Now next one beta. Next one, hundreds, tens, ones. 434 minus 386. Look at the blackboard. First the given number in column wise according to their places. First down only. First subtract the digits in ones place. 6 is subtracted from 4, means 4 minus 6. 4 minus 6 possible beta? Not possible. See here above the column 4, 4 is the smaller number than 6. 4 అనేది 6 కంటే చిన్నది. So what we have to do, you can take borrowing from tens place digit. See here, 10. 10 is added to 4. 10 plus 4 you can get 14 beta. 10 plus 4 you can get 14. Now here 3 it can last 1, 3 becomes 2. See here, 14 minus 6. 14 minus 6. You can count 6 after up to 14. 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. How many? 8. 8 write down in one column. Now next, 2 minus 8 possible beta? Not possible. Because 2 is the smaller number than 8. Now I have to take borrowing from hundreds place digit, that is 4. So 4 is ready to give borrow to tens place digit. How much giving? So 4 is giving 10. 10 is added to 2. Look at the blackboard. 10 plus 2 you can get 12. So 4 it can last 1 because it can last 1. 4 becomes 3. Look at the blackboard. See here. 12 minus 8. You can count 8 after up to 12. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12. How many? 4. Now next 3 minus 3. 0. 4 minus 4, 0. 5 minus 5, 0. See here, any number is subtracted from itself. ఏదైనా ఒక నంబర్ అందులో నుండి సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ అవుతుంది, మీన్స్ ఎనీ నంబర్ ఈజ్ సబ్ట్రాక్టెడ్ ఫ్రమ్ ఇట్ సెల్ఫ్, ద డిఫరెన్స్ ఈజ్ 0. 3 minus 3, 0. So difference is equals to 48. Write down. Completed beta? Raise your hand. Now next one. Hundreds, tens, ones. See here. 253 minus 75. First the right given numbers in column wise. Okay. See here. According to their places. 3 minus 5 possible beta? 3 minus 5 possible? Not possible, because 3 is the smaller number than 5. Now take borrowing from 5, it can give 10. 10 is added to 3. 10 plus 3, 13 beta. See, 5 it can last 1, 5 becomes 4 beta. See here. 13 minus 5, you can count 5 after to reach 13. 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. How many? 8. Now next, we subtract the digits in tens place. 4 minus 7. Possible? 4 is the smaller number than 7. Again take borrowing from 2. It can give 10. 10 is added to 4. 10 plus 4 you can get 14. See here, 2 it can last 1, 2 becomes 1. Look at the blackboard. 14 minus 7. You can count 7 after up to 14. 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. How many fingers we will get? 7. So now next, in hundreds place below of the column, bottom of the column, is there any number? Is there any number? ఇక్కడ ఏదైనా నంబర్ ఉందా? No. So you can write 1 directly. Difference is equals to 178. Write down. See here, completed beta. Raise your hand. This is completed. Now next. Hundreds, tens, ones. 968 minus 689. First the given number write in column wise according to their places. First subtract the digits in ones place. Ones place lo unnatuvanti digit ni subtract cheyandi. See here. 8 minus 9 possible. See here. Top of the column we have 8. So bottom of the column we have 9. So 8 is the smaller number than 9. Now take borrowing from 6. So it can give 10. 10 is added to 8. 10 plus 8, 18. 6, it can last one, 6 becomes 5 beta. See here. 18 minus 9. Possible. See here, we can count 9 after, up to 18. 9 after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. How many? 9. 9 write down in one's column. Now next we subtract the digits in tens place. 5 minus 8. 5 minus 8 possible? Not possible because 5 is the smaller number than 8. Now take borrowing from 9. It can give 10. 10 is added to 5. 10 plus 5 you can get 15. Look at the blackboard. 10 plus 5 you can get 15. See 9 it can last one. 9 becomes 8. 9 becomes 8. See here. 15 minus 8. So you can count 8 after up to 15. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 7 write down in tens column. Next 8 minus 6 possible better. You can count 6 after to reach 8. 6 after 7, 8. How many? 2. So difference is equals to 279. Write down everybody. ఇక్కడ వర్క్ బుక్ వాల్యూ నోట్స్ ఏదిరా బుక్ కొనుక్కో ఎందుకు కంప్లీటెడ్ బేటా hey. Now next one is this is hundreds place, tens place, ones place. 315 minus 96. First subtract the digits in ones place. Look at the blackboard. 5 minus 6 possible beta? Not possible. Possible? Not possible. See, 5 is the smaller number than 6. Now take borrowing from 1. See here. Take borrowing 10. 5 is added to 10. 10 plus 5 you can get 15. See, 1 it can last 1 no? So 1 becomes 0. 1 gives borrow to 1's place digit. So it can last 1. 1 minus 1 you can get 0. See here, 15 minus 6, you can count 6 after up to 15. 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. How many? 9. 9 write down in one column. See, look at the blackboard. 0 minus 9 possible. Again take borrowing from 3, it can give 10. 10 is added to 0. 10 plus 0 you can get 10 better. See here, look at the blackboard 3, it can last 1, 3 becomes 2. 10 minus 9, you can get 1. 9 after 1, 10. So 1 write down, 10 column. Next, see here, you can subtract the digits in hundreds place, but bottom of the column of hundreds place there is no digits, there is no number. Then you can write 2 directly, as it is. 219. Write down everybody. Now next one. $591 minus 402. First the given number write in column wise according to their places. See here. First subtract the digits in one's place. See 1 minus 2 possible beta. Not possible because 1 is the smaller number than 2. Now take borrowing from 9. It can give 10. 10 is added to 1. 10 plus 1 you can get 11 better. 10 plus 1 11. 10 plus 2 12. Look at the blackboard. 10 plus 2 12. 10 plus 3 13. 10 plus 4 14. 10 plus 5 15. 10 plus 6 16. Did you understand? 10 plus 7 17. 10 plus 8 18. 10 plus 9 19. See here. Now here 9 it can last 1, 9 becomes 8. 9 becomes 8. 11 minus 2, you can count 2 after up to 11. 2 after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. How many? 9. 9 write down in one square. See here next 8 minus 0. 8. 4 minus 0, 4. 3 minus 0, 3. 8 minus 0, 8. 5 minus 0, 5. So 0 is subtracted from any number, you can get the same number. So 8 minus 0, you can get 8. Listen carefully here. 5 minus 0, what we get? 5. 6 minus 0, what we get? 6. 7 minus 0, what we get? 0. So what is here means 0 is subtracted from any number. 0 is subtracted from any number. The difference is same number. You can get same number. Now next we subtract the digits in hundreds place. 5 minus 4. 1. 4 after 1, 5 no? So you can write 1. Difference is equals to 180. Write down everybody. Hey. Now next one. hundreds, tens, ones. 79 minus 60. So this is 2-digit number, beta. See here. First subtract the digits in ones place. 9 minus 0, you can get 9. See here. 79 minus 60, this is ones column, this is tens column, this is hundreds column, there is no number in hundreds column. See here, first subtract the digits in ones place. 9 minus 0, you can get 9. 7 minus 6, 7 minus 6. 6 after you can count up to 7, no? 6 after 1, 7. Then you can write here, 1. Difference is equals to 9. Write down everybody. Now next one is see 370 minus 199. Look at the blackboard, everybody. This is very important problem. First, the given them are written in column wise according to their places. See, first subtract the digits in one's place. 0 minus 9 possible, beta? Not possible because 0 is the smaller number than 9. Now take borrowing from 7. It can give 10. 10 is added to 0. 10 plus 0 you can get 10, beta. 10 plus 0 what? 10. See, 7 it can last one. 7 becomes 6. Look at the blackboard. See. 10 minus 9, you can count 9 after 1, 10. So, 1 write down in one's column. Next, 6 minus 9 possible, beta? 6 is the smaller number than 9. So, what we have to do? You can take borrowing from 3. So, it can give 10. 10 is added to 6. 10 plus 6, you can get 16, beta. 10 plus 6, 16. 3, it can last 1, 3 becomes 2. 3 minus 1, you can get 2. 3 becomes 2. Okay. See here. 16 minus 9 means you can count 9 after up to 16. 9 after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. How many? So 5 plus 2 fingers, 7. 7 write down in one's column. Now next 2 minus 1. 1 after 2. 1. 1 write down in hundreds column. So difference is equals to 171. Today your class is completed. Thank you to all.